What's up, y'all? In today's video we got an unboxing video. It's from a company called Vvash, auto care company. They have all kind of new products, all kind of new stuff coming out. Check it out. This is their mystery box. It goes for $70 plus $8 shipping. You can use code HAHA for 15% off, except you can't apply it to a mystery box, only to separate products. But if you like what you see in this video, you should go check it out. A link will be in the description. And yeah, let's get into it. So Vvash is a company and they've got all kind of products. Oh, okay. This is a mystery box. Stuff is falling out of here. Let's see what we got. It's anywhere from $120 to $420 worth of product. You can check them out on Instagram. Vvash Premium Auto Care, or Vvash Auto Care, sorry. First of all, we got leather cleaner. I don't even have leather seats, but we'll find that soon somewhere. I'm making a video. We got a clay bar, which I actually was thinking about buying some of this, but that's great. Glass cleaner. My windows are very dirty, so we're definitely gonna put this to use. Holy crap. One of their woolen, whatever, mitts. This is great. That's just packing, more packing. Got carpet cleaner, which is also going to come in handy. I've also got a trim and tire gel. This also will come in handy. And then we've got all of the things here. So yeah, that was actually a shorter unboxing video than I thought. That's about it. But yeah, check them out. Vvash, where's the Instagram? Instagram here, you can go to their website, use code HAHA, get you 15% off. Check out all their products. All right, y'all, so we went through and saw how much all this stuff would have costed if I would have bought it. And it's $122, so meaning I spent $80. I basically got $40 of free product, which is pretty good. Again, some of this stuff, you might not necessarily bought, but you'll find some use for it. Again, if you'll use it on your car somewhere. But yeah, thank y'all for checking out the video, and also make sure to click the link in the description to check out Vvash, and y'all have a good day.